Welcome to CellSpeak, a new and innovative form of hypnosis combined with positive thinking that will be used to change the functioning of your cells from deep within. Today we are going to take a trip inside the cells and make repairs to the cells that are not functioning properly, and to reset the hands of time in the head, thereby halting and reversing many of the degenerative and disease processes of the cells. We will also attach healing energy provided by Reiki to this recording in order to increase your feelings of well-being. This recording can be saved to your device and listened to as many times as you need in order to feel better or to feel more balanced and healthy. It is advised that you do not drive or operate machinery during or right after this recording, as you will become very relaxed and could become sleepy during the session. At the end of the recording, I will suggest to you that you will feel rested and energized, and so you should perk up right away. Find a comfortable place to relax that is quiet and peaceful, pleasantly scented and serene, where you will not be disturbed. Starting with your feet, feel your muscles relax. Feel your toes relax and your ankles relax. Let them slowly relax and sink into the floor. Let the calves of your legs relax and your thighs relax, and your legs slowly relax and sink into the floor. Relax your hips and let them sink into the cushions behind you, allowing your spine to relax completely, sinking more and more deeply into the cushions. Let your fingers relax and lay limp, letting your arms go limp too, sinking more and more and more deeply relaxed into total relaxation. Let your shoulders relax, and as you breathe more deeply and slowly, and as you go deeper and deeper, deeper and deeper, into a feeling of total relaxation. More and more deeply, more deeply relaxed than you have ever been in your whole entire life. So deeply relaxed. Totally relax your face and allow your entire mind to grow still and to hear nothing but the sound of my voice. All other sounds fade into the background as you only hear the sound of my voice. You feel very relaxed and peaceful, totally at ease and relaxed, and your mind is at peace. You feel as though you are laying on a cloud, being slowly rocked back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, feeling more and more deeply relaxed. You feel as though you are sinking more and more into total relaxation, and you are totally relaxed and comfortable. And while you are so deeply relaxed and comfortable, imagine in your mind's eye that you can see the inside of your own body, and it is a marvelous thing. Look around and see the miracle of your body. Know in this heart of yours that this body is capable of healing itself. This makes you feel very happy. There is a part that needs fixing, though. Squint your eyes so that you can see where it is. Go deeper and deeper and deeper and deeper into the tissues, becoming smaller and smaller until you are the size of one of the cells of your body. Imagine that you are traveling through the bloodstream on your way to fix the part that needs fixing. Enjoy the journey through the bloodstream and admire your tissues. Take note of places that seem irregular or not right somehow. We will come back to those on another time. And now we have arrived to the tissues we intend to repair. Notice how the cell wall looks. Is the color good or sickly? Remember, we are going to fix it. Reach out your hands and feel the surface of the cell before you. Notice how it is filled with bouncy stuff like jello. Just stick your hands in there and find your strand of DNA. You will know it when you find it. Now, with your hands, Find the part of the DNA strand that is broken or damaged and yank that part out of there. Now, reach into your tool belt, which is around your waist, and locate the replacement part. Feeling with your hands, put the replacement part in place and tighten it with your hands. Now, dust off your hands and congratulate yourself on a job well done. Kick off with your feet and swim back through the bloodstream to where the internal clock of time is located. There it is now in front of us. It looks like a big clock with hands and everything. Reach out and touch it. Grabbing hold of the hands of time, turn them around the other way. Turn them the opposite way that clocks go. Not too much. We don't want to go too far back on the clock. Just a little reset in order for our cells to function more efficiently and with greater electrical power. That's it. Perfect. Now put your hands on your hips and nod your head with approval as you have just reset your own internal body clock. And now you will feel happier, healthier, and more spunky because of it. You will walk with greater ease and lightness, and your hopes and dreams are renewed. This is a new beginning for you, and you are full of joy because of this. Now kick away from this spot and swim in the bloodstream back to where you will get big again. Swimming, swimming, swimming. Suddenly, you are back to normal size and back to your normal surroundings. Smack your lips a couple of times and start reviving and waking up. Stretch and open your eyes. From now on, you are going to feel a whole lot better.